Hello, it's still winter and the windshield wash system doesn't work in this Impala. So how do we access this? There it is, behind the wheel well cover on the passenger side. Give the wheel turned out, makes it a little bit easier. Several panel fasteners along the edge were removed already. Okay, take out this one. It's kind of an oddball here, where that center post has to come out like an inch. Now this one. Found 7mm works on it. And with the wheel turned out, you can now back this off. Now with something braced in there, we can easily change this out without pulling anything else off. Okay, so lift up and unplug it. And we're gonna test this. Now we're gonna test and see if we're getting power to it. Got our meter hooked up. Well, we have no power. We're going to go to the fuse box and find out if that's the reason why. So it's this one right here, and it's blown. We replaced the fuse. The pump still didn't run, so now we're going to drain the tank and replace the pump. It's going to be going on for a while. Replacement. So let's pull out our wheel well cover holder and put the panel fastener and screw back in. Now let's put the screw in first. And there was this long one that fits here. Okay, I can see clearly now that this is looking much better. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe. More good stuff coming.